Less is typically more until you cross over to lazy. What do I mean by that? Less, doing less work. Picking up the phone and calling that business owner is typically going to give you more results than walking in. Why? When you walk in, number one, you're totally interrupting them. It's an awkward conversation, and the chances of you getting brushed off by a gatekeeper are very high. Versus when you call. Even though the chances of you getting brushed off, it's probably not going to be an awkward conversation, are a little bit lower. They're still high, but you can make 17 calls in the time it takes you to drive your car, find a parking space, park it, and walk into that business. Less is more. You're going to get more results if you pick up the phone. Less is more until it crosses over into lazy. What's lazy? Well, hell, if I can get more deals by calling them, why the heck am I even calling them? I'll just send them an email blast. Yeah, that's what everybody else is doing, okay? They're not reading them, okay? They're tired of being email blasted. If I could just have 5 minutes of your time, I'd like to show you this, okay? So less is more until it crosses over to lazy.